Hello, loved ones. Hello. And here we are with another read today. Today, what I'm bringing you is pick an animal. Pick a doggy, or pick a kangaroo, or the penguin, or the little ducky. Which one do you get called to? Today, I'm bringing protection from Horus. He wanted to bring protection to all of us and love, okay? Protection and love for all of you guys, and also from other beings with love. But Horus definitely wanted to bring protection to all of you guys. I have the magical candle. Please put your wish into the candle. Look at the candle, focus on it, and put your wish. And may your wish come true. So let's go back to picking the doggy, or we're going to pick the kangaroo, or the penguin, or the little duck, the ducky. Doggy and ducky. You know, Diane, it's weird. Already, now that you have picked your card, let's go to it. Now, these are cards. The reason I pulled today these cards, because they're pets that brings you therapy, and some of you, I felt that some of you needed to hear a little charge up energy, because some of you may not be feeling too well, and so hopefully the card that you picked, or if you picked them all, that's okay too. So let's see what the little dog has to say to us. There we go. It's your awareness that makes you wonderful. Okay, so because you're different already, embrace that, because that makes you unique, that makes you wonderful. And you know what? Don't think because you're different than others, you're not good. Just keep in mind that you are unique. And why would you want to be like others? You know, they're taken. You are unique, you. So know that you are wonderful. That's what the little doggy energy is trying to tell us. Kangaroo today. Kangaroo is want to tell us. Let's see what kangaroo. Look at that. The voice that tells you that you aren't enough apparently doesn't know you at all. Why? Because you're amazing. Wow, it sounds like Zeb is here. You know what? I did not know what cards are there. I just grabbed them and put them down, and I'm just looking at them right now. So you know what? Sometimes, and this is something I keep saying to you all the time. Don't let your stinky thinking, don't let your cocoa head to bring stinky thinking into you and tell you otherwise. It doesn't know you. It doesn't know how amazing you are. So keep, and you need to say this to yourself. You need to understand life could be difficult sometimes. It makes us feel that we, and we want to compare ourselves to others. And if we're not, then you know what? If we don't do that, then we don't feel like we are good enough. Yes, you are good enough because you are amazing. This sounds like a Zeb song. And those who doesn't know Zeb, oh my God, it's a little green little alien, but he's cute. It doesn't look like a gray. He is cute. He's adorable. He's almost look like cute like these little guys here. No wonder. Okay, I get it. You see, they're all this are cute. I get it why he's here, his energy, because this is kind of like energy of Zeb. If you pick the little penguin, what does the little penguin wants to tell you? Stop calling yourself garbage. Jeez. You're a blueberry fairy princess, and you are amazing. Another one. So, this means stop calling yourself names, stop calling yourself bad things. You know what? You are your own hero, and the one that needs to have approval here in this life is you of yourself. Don't expect approval from anybody else. There'll be people who will call you that, okay? But you're gonna know in your heart that you're not. So don't reflect what they call you, and call yourself, again, you're amazing. You're amazing. Okay, don't talk to yourself bad. And remember, how you treat yourself is what you attract. So, what do you want to attract, especially in love? If you're looking for somebody to love you and respect you and see you as an amazing being, you need to feel that way about yourself in order to attract that. Or even if you are with somebody and they're not treating you very good, it's because you are saying ugly stuff to yourself. Change that, okay? Alrighty. What does the little ducky, duckies are so happy they bring you the sun. Let's see what he wants to tell us. What does the ducky wants to tell us? Here's a friendly reminder that the negative voice in your head is not you, and you are actually completely delightful. My goodness. Oh my goodness. So again, these cards are therapy. They're pet therapy, reminding you of who you truly are. Well, sometimes we get lost into the programs of life and then we start going negative. Well, let's remind, it's a little reminder for you that you are actually completely delightful. Wow. Let me pull two more cards for everybody. I just felt like pulling two more cards. I really loving. I just got these cards and I'm just testing them right now and I'm loving them. Look at the unicorn. Oh my God. The truth is you are far more capable than you feel. Yes, you know what? Sometimes we don't give ourselves enough credit and we are feared to try doing things because we don't think we're enough. Guess what? The truth is you're far more capable than you feel. Listen to the unicorn. I'll put one more last one, okay? I'm really enjoying, I'm loving this. And I'm sure the reason I'm feeling pulled to pull more is because I know you guys need this. I know some of you guys really need to hear this. Look at the cute one. Wow, look at this. Okay, perfect to be the last card. There's no rules that says you have to have everything figured out right now. Every step forward is a progress. It's true. Do you think everybody has figured their lives? This is a very good card, actually. Oh, little penguin, don't fall. Do you think everybody, even some people that they look that they have figured everything out, they have not? Okay, guys, they still working, but the difference with them is that they keep in the positive, they keep believing in themselves, right? And they know that if they keep working, they focus on their progress, things will go great. And you know what? It's funny because some of you know Seb, and you know Seb, right? Seb sings us a song that goes like this. You are so beautiful. You are so wonderful. You are amazing. You are a shining star, no matter who you are. And no wonder I felt Zeb coming in this one here. He's being pushing me. He's really, you know what? I took extra time to do this little video. I have other things to do today. And, but they wouldn't, Horus. And I believe the heart is from Prince, believe it or not. And Zeb with the you are wonderful, you're so amazing, and you are delightful because you know what? You are the truth. You know you're capable for everything that you want. You're that beautiful unicorn. And you know what? The most important thing, don't think that you have to have everything figured out. You know what? Every step that you do forward, it's progress. So don't try to be like everybody else. Just be you and just keep going. Go with the flow. Take one day at a time. Don't stress, guys. Don't stress. Don't let that lower your frequency. Keep yourself in a higher frequency. And this is the message from Seb and all the cute little guys, little pets, animals, energy. And you guys know, those who have pets, you know how amazing they are to you. They love you. They truly love you unconditional. They truly love you for who you are. And they know you are wonderful. They know you're amazing. And they know you are delightful. So how about you starting to feel the same thing about yourself? Guys, I love you. Love, honor, and respect. And see you soon. I'm going to bring the charm video pretty soon. And so just be patient with me. It's been pretty busy. And if you like this, please share with others. I really would love if you do that. And I thank you ahead of time when you do that. And those who really enjoy my readings, I would love you guys if you go and give me a little review. Totally would love you for that. I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy.